How's it going, everyone? Raymond here. We're here in the gates of St. John today, and we are putting on a brand new GAF Camelot II roofing system. The homeowners, they were experiencing blown off shingles, and they were a designer shingle that was made about 20 years ago that is discontinued now. So we did get this approved by the insurance company, and the homeowners were very happy that they are going to get a brand new designer roofing system. So on top of redoing the roof for these homeowners, we also decided that while we're doing it, we might as well upgrade the siding. So we do have an old fiberboard siding that is starting to deteriorate. They decided that they wanted to upgrade to a James Hardie shake style siding. So I think it's going to look really good with this roof. So as you can see here, we've already started the tear off of this slope. Before the tear off, we also like to prep everything around. As you can see here, we have all of the AC units, the generators, and all of their beautiful plants and everything covered with our catch-all system. We also have the equipter set up for easy removal of debris. So we're getting this ball rolling.